Happy New Year! Hello. Thank you once again for watching our Amistad Minutes podcast. We are here today, of course. Amistad Minutes, where we share healthy tips, clinic updates, and helpful information for our patients and those who decide to come and look at our podcast.
Yeah, and we're so glad you're able to join us today because we have a special episode to kick off the new year.
Yes. A new year means new beginnings, and we do have quite a few new beginnings this year. And at Amistad Health, we're starting the year with some exciting updates, and we can't wait to see them come to pass.
Yes. So this beginning, it's a great time. First off, for your health checks, you always want to make sure, to start off the new year with on a good foot. That means literally, physically and what is it?
Mentally.
There you go. That's right.
Physically, mentally. We want you healthy 100% from head to toe.
That's right. Yeah, see, we're still trying to get our heads in this new year to begin with too. Now, you want to make sure, to check out your conditions apart from just the chronic ones. You want to make sure everything's okay to start off.
Exactly. And at Amistad Health, our goal for the new year is simple. Continue to grow and improve so that we can better care and serve you and serve our community.
Yeah. And then growth also includes some changes we got coming up.
I know. Exciting. Excited changes coming up. I'm pretty sure the audience and our patients will enjoy this one.
Oh, yes. So one of our biggest updates is, drumroll,
a brand new pharmacy. We're getting an in-clinic pharmacy so that our patients will have, it'll be easier for you to get your prescriptions, and it'll just be more convenient. So now we can literally say we're just about there, a one complete stop shop. Yep. So yes.
So you can come in, see your doctor, and if they say, hey, you need any kind of medication, ibuprofen and something for diabetes, whatever it is it might be, it's going to be so much more convenient because it'll also be faster because since it is already connected to the clinic already, it'll be, basically ready a lot, so much faster. And also, I believe they're going to try to make it also more affordable, aren't they?
Yes, if I'm correct, yes, it'll be more affordable. Having a pharmacy connected to the clinic will help improve communication as well with the provider and the pharmacy. So you can reduce them extra trips instead of coming here and then having to go to HEB. And you really don't need to go to HEB. You're more than welcome to come here.
Yeah, and that's one of our goals, to help support your health. So by making sure you have access to your medications, it'll help with the guidance and support that you need to be able to do better.
Yes, exactly. We'll be sharing more details soon, so keep an ear out for it. So, and probably next podcast, if we have more information on it, we'll definitely update you on that as well.
Definitely.
And then our next one our other news is for more exciting change for the new year is welcoming our new providers.
Yeah. We are actually hiring, from what I have understood, nurse practitioners. We're looking for some. So if you want to join a great team that wants to make a difference in the community,
yes,
just reach out. We can always put the information. I know we're posting about it on our Facebook and Instagram and everywhere. So if you're looking, we need you.
Another way you can do is also go on Amistad, CHC.com, and go on our website, go under careers, and you can update or put in your resume or fill out our application that's also on there. Or give us a call. You can call Miss
Lorena Smith.
Yes, Miss Lori Smith, and
she's a love.
Yes, and she's our head of our HR. So, and you can ask her questions about that position as well.
That's right.
So if you're a certified nurse practitioner, please come our way. We could definitely use you.
I think we're also hiring all around, aren't we?
From my understanding, I'm not too sure, but I know we definitely have some openings. So definitely look up under careers on our website, and it'll post everything that we are hiring for.
Yeah, definitely, for sure. And we want to create a team that shares the Amistad's commitment to be able to treat patients in a very caring way with respect and dignities, because we have to show understanding to our patients.
Yes.
Everybody comes in, you're not feeling good. You want somebody that can understand that. So definitely we're looking for people that can have empathy with people. So join a great team.
And it also helps us along with our appointments as well. So we have ability for patients to come in.
Yes. Also, as we move into the new year, we are encouraging everyone to make health a priority.
And speaking of health, this month is for January is cervical health. So if you're a woman and you have not had your Well Woman exam for the year, please give us a call, and that way we can schedule you an appointment so that you can get your pap smears done. And always never ask questions, because cervical cancer is the most treatable cancer that we can detect early and get treated.
And no point, like they say. So
Exactly.
if you just have a worry, or you're like, you're going to bed at night and all of a sudden these questions pop up in your head, make a note, call us and ask.
Yes, set up an appointment and come talk to Dr. Weisenberger or Miss Webb.
Yeah, they'd be happy to see you.
Yes.
No. And scheduling your annual visits is also following up on your lab work, apart from that.
Yes, that's very important.
And we have a lab here too, so you can come get your blood drawn as well. Asking questions and medications, your treatment plans also helps. So,
and it's not just for adults, as always. We always talk about adults and how we need to take care of ourselves, which is very true. Especially if you're a parent, if you're not feeling well, unfortunately, you can't take care of your kids as well. So we don't want to be dragging. I'm a mom, so I completely understand how.
You understand better than anyone.
Yes, how hard it is to get up and you're not feeling well and having to take kids to school. But we also have pediatrics. We're not just an adult clinic. We are a pediatric clinic as well, and a geriatric. But with pediatrics, we do have right now for new patients at our Aransas Pass location and at our Southside location at 7017 South Staples. So
and here at Brownlee, I think as well.
Yes, I believe so too. Yes, Brownlee. So if you're needing a new provider for your children, please do not look our way and come take a tour. You're more than welcome to come take a tour, check out our providers, and check to see if this is something, or if we're a good fit for you, I guess you should say.
That's true. Because, you feel comfortable with certain people, especially after you get to know them, you get to talk with them, you feel more comfortable telling them how you're actually feeling. Because we all know people come to the doctor, they say, yeah, I'm fine. But then they go home and they're, dragging or still, having that pain that they forgot to tell the doctor. No, but also if you live in Robstown, I know the Calderon building.
Oh, yes.
There we still are accepting new patients for adults.
Yes,
I believe.
That would be at the Calderon building, like Miss Hannah said, with Chelsea Bueno, nurse practitioner Bueno. She's great, and she's very understanding. She sits there and she listens to you. So yes, definitely do not hesitate to give her a call. She's a wonderful woman.
Yes. And what are your resolutions for this New Year's?
So my resolutions are going to be small. I do need to exercise a little bit more this year. So I'm not going to go gung-ho like I did last year, and then I dropped off about 30 days. I was like, I was done. So I think this year I'm going to just walk a little bit more. Instead of walking like a mile, maybe add an extra mile. And
that's smart, little by little, so you don't feel like defeated after the first month.
Exactly.
No, that for sure. Mine, I think eating healthier is one of my. I love this. I have a sweet tooth. Oh my gosh.
I smile. I'm like, I don't help.
She knows.
I don't help at all.
We're like, oh look, I saw this new snack. Let's try it. Oh, and scones. Oh, anyway.
Yes.
Those I need to cut down just a little bit, maybe. Also, probably getting more sleep is one of my big things that I really need to work on this year. But
we always say we're going to get more sleep.
Always. And then one more episode. It always happens. No, but we just want to thank you for spending time with us here at Amistad Minutes. We're excited to see what this new year has to hold.
Yes, a lot of new things coming up, a lot of changes, and all for the better, and for our community, of course.
Yeah. Be sure to keep following us for more updates. We're going to try to come up together also.
Yes.
And try to give up more updates each month.
Most
hopefully.
definitely. And so from me and Hannah, we just want to say
Happy New Year.
And be sure again to follow us for updates.
Yeah.
And
thank you. We really appreciate you guys catching up with us.
bye.